Good afternoon. My name is Samuel Smith. I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist. A little bit about what I do here at StayWell is that I do nutrition counseling for patients that have various disease processes such as diabetes, high cholesterol levels, and obesity. And I made some products here from the Ryan White Foundation that give the patients some food, a bag of food each week. And I got a list from them and I made a menu, and then I prepared certain items that from the list that they gave me. Beets are very high in vitamin A, as well as it really does taste very good. It's normally only about 80 calories and a half a cup. So it has good nutrition to it. And when you compare that to potato chip for, say, a lunch, as opposed to eating healthier, you will find that it's better to eat healthier. The second thing I prepared for you is I also was given potatoes and chicken, and so we made roasted herb chicken with potatoes, and very, very easy to make. What you simply do for that is you take your potatoes, you cut them into cubes, and then you add onions to it, and then you make a liquid composing of soy sauce, olive oil, garlic, oregano, rosemary, and red wine vinegar. And then what you do is you will add that to and keep basting as you bake it. Baking time is usually about an hour and 15 minutes. And what you again want to do is continue to baste it. This is harvest beets. This was very, very easy. You just take your beets, and because you're getting it fresh, if you're having from a can, you don't have to do what I did, but this was fresh. Came straight from the farmer's market, and so we sliced them, and then we boiled them for maybe about 5 minutes just to soften it up. And with the liqueur, we added cornstarch, vinegar, and sugar to it, and it'll make a nice glaze to your harvest beets. The chicken, of course, is high in protein. This is also very low in fat. So this will give you, the nutrition on this is only like, I made it out of chicken legs. And one of these chicken legs is probably less than 200 calories, okay? As opposed to if you had a Snicker bar at 300 calories, or if you had a honey bun at 480 calories. That's why I said it's healthier to eat a meal. One of the things you want to do is make sure you don't skip meals. Okay? But anyway, so this smells real good. Thank you for watching this video. We're going to post the recipes online so you'll have them and you'll be able to see. Again, we hope that you got something out of the video today, and we appreciate your listening.